How to turn off noise reduction on your Devant Smart TV. And okay guys, in your remote control, you'll have to do is press the menu button. Then go to settings. Okay? Here in settings, go to picture. In picture, go to picture mode settings. And now you can adjust the display settings for each picture mode. Okay? Go to picture mode settings. And you'll have to do here in picture mode settings is scroll down to see the noise reduction. And the noise reduction is set into medium. And the noise reduction reduce the random noise to improve the picture quality. And okay guys, you'll have to do is go to noise reduction. And now you can see the option here. You can set the noise reduction into low or medium and high. And also you can turn off the noise reduction by select the off to turn off the noise reduction on your Devant Smart TV. And that's it. Okay? Thank you for watching.